Have you ever wished for something so deeply and wondered if there was a way to make it happen faster, perhaps within just 1 hour? What if I told you there's a powerful, time tested method that could shift your life in ways you never imagined? Yes, it's real, and people who've tried it have witnessed incredible results, some calling it nothing short of miraculous. This method isn't just a theory, it's rooted in principles that have worked for countless individuals worldwide. Imagine unlocking the potential to manifest your desires quickly, whether it's financial abundance, love, or personal growth. Suramu-san. But here's the challenge. Most of us feel stuck. We're weighed down by doubts, negative thoughts, or simply not knowing where to start. You might have tried manifesting before and thought, why isn't it working for me? Or maybe you've never explored these techniques, unsure of whether they really work. The truth is, there's a critical difference between hoping for something and knowing how to align yourself with it to make it a reality. That's where this technique comes in, a strategy so effective that people report seeing results within an hour of applying it. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to harness this simple yet incredibly powerful process to turn your thoughts into tangible outcomes. You'll discover the key steps to clear mental clutter, set precise intentions, and channel your energy in the right direction. And here's the twist. We'll dive into lesser known secrets that many manifestation teachings leave out. Secrets that could be the missing link in your journey toward abundance and fulfillment. Stay with us until the end, and I promise by the time you finish watching, you'll have the tools to begin transforming your life in ways you never thought possible. If you've been searching for answers, feeling like the universe has been holding back, this video might just be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Welcome to where we explore the mysteries of the mind, the universe, and the limitless power you hold within. If you're passionate about unlocking your full potential, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our life-changing content. Let's dive in. To begin manifesting effectively, the first step is to clear your mind. Your mind is the foundation of your energy and intentions. When it's cluttered with worries, doubts, or distractions, it becomes challenging to focus your energy on what you truly desire. This is why calming the mind is crucial. It creates the mental space needed for positive vibrations to flow freely. One of the simplest and most effective ways to calm your mind is through deep breathing. Deep, intentional breaths signal your body to relax, lowering stress and helping you shift out of a state of anxiety. Try this. Inhale deeply for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then exhale slowly for another 4 counts. You'll notice an immediate sense of calm as your focus shifts away from racing thoughts and toward the rhythm of your breath. Another powerful technique is mindfulness. Mindfulness isn't about forcing thoughts away, but observing them without judgment. Sit in a quiet space, close your eyes, and let your thoughts come and go like waves. Imagine each thought drifting away like a cloud in the sky. This practice not only calms your mind, but also makes you more aware of the present moment, where your power truly lies. Gratitude is another essential component of this process. A grateful heart amplifies your energy and opens you up to receive more of what you desire. Spend a few moments listing things you're thankful for. They don't have to be big, simple things like the air you breathe, a roof over your head, or a kind word from someone can shift your vibration. Gratitude rewires your focus from lack to abundance. Like one of the most important things that you can do as your mind clears and gratitude fills your heart, you'll find that your ability to set clear intentions becomes sharper. The next step in unlocking the power of manifestation is setting a clear intention. Clarity is essential because the energy you send into the universe is directly tied to the precision of your desires. A vague intention leads to vague results. But when you focus on a specific goal, you align your thoughts and emotions with a defined outcome. Think about this. If you were giving someone directions, wouldn't they need an exact destination to reach the right place? Manifestation works the same way. To set a clear intention, start by defining exactly what you want, whether it's financial abundance, improved relationships, or personal growth. Your intention should feel vivid and real. For example, instead of saying, "I want more money," specify the amount or purpose, such as, "I want $5,000 to start my dream business." Once you've identified your goal, visualization becomes your most powerful tool. Take a moment to close your eyes and picture your desire as if it's already part of your life. Imagine every detail, what it looks like, feels like, even smells like. If your goal is financial gain, visualize yourself holding the money, paying off debts, or enjoying the freedom it brings. If it's a relationship, picture the love, warmth, and happiness you want to experience. The clearer your visualization, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. It's also important to engage your emotions during this process. Emotions act as amplifiers for your intentions. When you feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement of having your desire, you strengthen the connection between your energy and the outcome. Imagine the relief of financial security or the happiness of a thriving relationship. The more real it feels, the closer you are to attracting it into your reality. Positive affirmations or mantras are powerful tools to strengthen your manifestation practice. They work by reprogramming your subconscious mind, aligning it with the reality you want to create. The words you say to yourself repeatedly shape your beliefs, and your beliefs shape your reality. This is why choosing affirmations that align with your goals is so important. For instance, if your goal is financial abundance, you might use affirmations like, "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly," or "I am a magnet for wealth and success. For someone seeking improved relationships, affirmations like, I attract love and harmony into my life, or I am worthy of deep, meaningful connections can be incredibly effective. The key is to choose words that resonate deeply with you. Or, I am a magnet for wealth and success can be incredibly important. Repetition is what makes affirmations work. Saying them once or twice won't create the shift you're looking for. Instead, make it a daily habit. Say them aloud in front of a mirror, write them in a journal, or repeat them silently during moments of quiet reflection. The more you repeat these positive statements, the more they become ingrained in your subconscious mind, replacing any limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Belief is the other critical component. You must truly feel and believe in the truth of your affirmations as you say them. If you simply recite the words without conviction, they lose their power. Imagine the reality you're affirming, feel the emotions associated with it, and trust that it's already making its way to you. Affirmations are not just words, they're declarations of your future reality. Inspired action is a critical piece of the manifestation process that many overlook. While visualizing and affirming your desires are powerful, the law of attraction truly works when paired with deliberate, aligned actions. These actions serve as signals to the universe that you're ready to receive what you've asked for and are willing to meet the energy of your desires halfway. The key is to take steps that feel natural and connected to your goals. Start with small, actionable tasks that align with the outcome you're manifesting. For example, if your goal is financial abundance, consider organizing your finances or researching investment opportunities. If you're manifesting a new job, you could update your resume, network with professionals in your field, or explore potential openings. These actions not only move you closer to your goal, but also build momentum and confidence. It's important to pay attention to the intuitive nudges you feel. Inspired action often comes from moments of clarity, when an idea or opportunity seems to appear out of nowhere. Trust these moments. They're often the universe's way of guiding you toward your manifestation. For instance, if you suddenly feel drawn to reach out to someone or attend an event, follow that impulse. You might be surprised at how it connects you to your desired outcome. Remember, inspired action doesn't have to be massive or overwhelming. It's about consistent, purposeful steps that align with your intentions. Each action you take is like planting a seed, and as you nurture these efforts with focus and belief, you bring your desires closer to reality. Releasing and trusting the process is one of the most vital yet challenging steps in manifestation. Often, after setting an intention and taking inspired action, doubts and fears can creep in. These negative emotions act as resistance, blocking the flow of your desires. The key is to let go of this resistance and trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to align everything perfectly for you. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your goal. It means releasing the need to control every detail. Doubts arise when we focus on how or when our desires will manifest, but the how is not your responsibility. The universe works in ways far beyond what you can predict. By trusting the process, you create a space for opportunities to flow to you effortlessly. To help you stay in a high vibrational state, focus on activities that bring you joy and peace. Listening to uplifting music is a powerful way to shift your energy. Choose songs that inspire confidence and positivity, as music can directly impact your mood and mindset. Similarly, engaging in activities you love, like painting, dancing, or spending time in nature, helps raise your vibration and keep your energy aligned with your desires. Practicing gratitude is another way to let go of doubt and maintain trust. By focusing on what you're thankful for, you shift your attention from what you lack to what you already have. This shift in focus reinforces the belief that good things are already on their way to you. Journaling, meditating, or simply reflecting on moments of joy can deepen this sense of trust. The more you immerse yourself in these practices, the easier it becomes to release doubts and trust the timing of the universe. Now that you have the steps to manifest your desires, it's time to put them into action. Try these methods for yourself. Clear your mind. Set a powerful intention. Affirm your goals. Take inspired action, and then release and trust. Each step builds upon the next, creating a path that leads directly to what you want. If you've ever felt stuck or uncertain, this is your chance to change that. Consistency is the key to success. The more you practice these steps, the stronger your connection with the universe becomes. Share your experiences in the comments below. What are you manifesting, and how is this method working for you? Your journey might just inspire someone else to start theirs. This process has transformed the lives of many, and it can do the same for you. Believe in your potential. Take the first step today and trust that the universe is ready to support you. The power to create the life you want is already within you. You just need to unlock it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with someone who could use this guidance. And of course, subscribe to your channel name for more powerful techniques and insights to help you on your journey. Together, let's manifest the extraordinary